Highly recommended. If you have back pain, this is the man.
Dr. Deuk, and it is February 24th, 2021. We have our masks off at my patient's request. So we can see her beautiful smile. I mean, that's really what it's about, right?
Yes.
Why are you smiling today?
Oh, I feel good.
Why do you feel so good?
I'm happy. You did a great job.
All right, what do we do?
We did laser surgery on
L3-4
L3-4
and L4-5.
L4-5. I can't ever remember.
And we did it yesterday, less than 24 hours
yes,
ago.
Yes, we did. And I'm up, walking around.
And you went home afterwards, right?
Yes.
And here you are back for a checkup.
Here I am back at 11 a.m.
All right, so did the surgery help you at all?
Yes.
How did it help you?
Tremendously. I woke up with no pain. Other than the little incision marks, I have no pain. I feel so good.
So the pain you had in your lower back here, for how many years did you have that?
Oh my God. It started 2 years ago, but I had it off and on for many years before that. I'd say at least 5.
And we diagnosed it as a annular tear at L3-4 and L4-5 with a small herniations. And we went in yesterday and repaired those annular tears with the laser in the back of the discs. And you woke up and the pain you've had for on and off for 20, 30 years, do you still have that pain?
Nope.
It's gone.
Gone. All my pain is gone.
Isn't that wonderful?
My leg pain is gone. My foot pain is gone. Everywhere that, you know, you had to carry yourself, that your back had to be involved in, hurt so bad. My arms hurt, my shoulders hurt, everywhere hurt. I think that it was just
posture.
pulling on my, yes, my whole body.
Yeah, when you have an injured disc that's painful, it literally changes your posture, the way you stand, the way you walk, the way you carry yourself. And of course that's going to end up having an effect on your neck, your shoulders. So great. And you're going to be starting therapy next week. What else are you going to start doing now that you don't have any more of that pain?
Walking.
Walking, enjoying life.
Enjoying life.
Yeah.
Taking care of my babies, my grandbabies.
Good.
I have a 1, 2, and a 3-year-old.
All right. Is there anything you want to tell the rest of the world about their back pain if they have it?
Highly recommended. If you have back pain, this is the man. Come see him. Great office, great staff. They will never make you feel bad. They always try to make you feel good no matter what.
Yeah. And that's what we are here for. We're here to help people like you overcome the back pain and cure it for you so you can go on with a normal life.
Exactly.
All right.
That's what I want to do.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You are welcome.